I have a TB110. The front wheel height just snapped off. Can I replace it? Do I need to replace the entire front wheel assembly?
Hello. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. There is a white tag at the rear of your mower. Can you get the model numbers from this tag for me? Can you locate the model number on the tag for me?
Model number 11A A2BM711 serial number 1D094K92400. Sorry Briggs-Fan, I'm new to JustAnswer and am a bit confused I guess. I was working with another technician, Donald. I don't want to be cheap about this, but I also don't want to get double charged. Did you and he tag off, or did my request just go through twice or something?
http://www.partstree.com/parts/troy-built/mowerswalk-behind-lawn-mower/TB11011 Troy-built push-mower 2014/General Assembly/Part 39 is the height adjuster that holds it in place. I'm not sure because this happened twice yesterday. The question was available and I locked it to help you. And see, another expert is working on it. Donald, the first lopped out so you can continue with helping, but this is the second time I've encountered this in 2 days.
Nope, that piece is fine. It's the little sheet metal adjustment bar that you pull back to adjust the height. It snapped off and now the wheels go all the way to the bottom, which of course just strips my lawn to the soil. I don't see how to get the wheel off to get to that part. Sorry about the duplicates. Maybe I hit a button twice or something in my haste to get an answer. I don't think so, but it's possible. Donald, are you still with me?
I don't want to swipe a question from another expert, so I'm going to let Donald take over. No, it wasn't a duplicate question. Something is allowing 2 experts to lock on and the question was still available when the first expert locked on, which it shouldn't.
Okay. But I haven't heard from Donald since you replied. He didn't get kicked off, did he? I very much appreciate your integrity, by the way.
I am back with you. Thanks for your patience. For some reason, our system is allowing 2 experts to reply to same question, at the same time. I was locked out. This is why it took me a while to respond to you. Please take a look at the image below. Just click on the link to open the image. In the image, you will see your front axle assembly. You will need to replace your front axle assembly, because the sheet metal adjustment bar is not sold separately. It is a part of your axle assembly. Your front axle assembly is not very expensive. We can continue from here. Thanks.
Thanks, Donald. I'll go order the parts I need.
Very good. You are very welcome. I do hope all goes well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.